వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడొచ్చింది. వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడొచ్చింది.
Yeah. Hello. Good afternoon. Yeah. Hello.
యూట్యూబ్ నుంచి లైవ్
Good afternoon. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Good afternoon. Welcome back to the GYST Club session. One more Friday workshop for us. Today also we have a simple announcement and one more training module for you. Yeah. Good afternoon. Welcome back to the GYST Club session. One announcement is already we announced that there are 4 types of competitions we are conducting on behalf of Swaminathan Science Day 2026. So all of you know that. That is photography, skits, shorts, and all of you know that poster presentation. Surprisingly, we are receiving so many submissions from poster presentation. But we are looking for shorts and reels because all of you know very well about how to make shorts and how to make reels. And skits also, we are looking for skits. Because we would like to see in you the creative person. So if you want to play a skit, we need creativity. We need to play that some idea on behalf of based on that concept. So please think about that and try to write a small story about any concept or any innovation, invention, or any scientist. So that will help you to how to write a story and how to play that story. So maybe in future you may become a director and good writers also. So for to get uh, express your creativity, this platform is for you. Okay, right. So please think and um, come up with good ideas. So for the skits and reels, shorts, etc. Of course, other things are very simple. Uh, Photography is simply take a picture and just describe about that picture. What is that and how it works. And all of you know that poster presentation. So nothing uh, new in that. Yeah. But one more good news is we extended the date up to 25th of the February. Actually, 10th is the last date previously. So now we extended the date for 25th because so many students having exams in this season. That's why we extended the date. Okay. So take this opportunity to perform. Right. So now we are um, going for a one more training session on training module. So I would like to invite Ms. Rekha Garu. She will take this session. Just to give a second, she will join with you.
Hi, everyone. So please give me 1 minute of time. I will show the training. So are you visible the training module? Are you seeing on the screen? So today I am telling about the training module model making. Here in before GYST Club sessions, we told about brainstorming, art of observation, the first principle thinking, system thinking, like that. Now we are going to tell about model making. Here we are seeing that the innovation cycle goes through these 5 steps. That is, first one is observation. Second one is identifying problems. And this in the first principle thinking. And prototyping. That means making the model. Now we are going to tell about the model making. And this makes you real world implement. Until observing the environment, identifying problems, and coming up with the solution, that is making the model. This turns your ideas into reality. So it is the complete process of innovation over the past 6 months through the GYST Club. Now let us go deeper into the training module of model making. Here we have 3 questions, that is, what is model making? Why is model making important? And how do we make models? So I'm saying again the 3 important questions in model making. That is what, why, and how. Okay. So first question is, what is model making? So we know first about what is model making means. Model, we create a small version of an idea, of an object or system to understand how it works. It is like bringing your thoughts and plans into real life. How the model making helps you? By doing the model, you learn more knowledge by doing, and which is not you get by reading. And see how the things actually work and turns your ideas into real creations. So, and next question is, why is model making important? So first step is what, and then why is model making is important. So for example, if you not understand your subject topics or any concept, if you build any model on the topic, you will get more knowledge and which is not in the textbooks. By doing the model, you will get more answers that which you may not find in the textbook. So what makes model making? So by doing the models, you get hands-on learning. That means you get more knowledge and better knowledge by doing the models. So this makes you practical knowledge, critical thinking, and creativity. These skills help you in every part of life. So model making is very important for innovation and creativity. Many people want to build directly big things, but real inventors always start with small models. Here you see, here there are some small buildings and small fans and small solar panel is there here. Like that, we have to make the model in small one. So now you got is how to make a model. So the model means you have to make in small one. Okay. So now, again, why is model making important? Almost every great inventions has started in small models. So aeroplanes and big buildings and machines were first made with small models. Okay. So why, if you ask any question, why we have to do small things but not big things? Why we are making the models in small ways means because these small models will come in low cost and it will be safe and it's easy to test and helpful in improving the ideas. If you so next step is how to build a model. So here I'm taking the example as building a bridge model. So first I want to bridge the model as a small bridge. So first I keep my thought on the paper and design a bridge model on the paper. So after making the model, I think about how to do and I will observe if there are any useful things around me. So first I will take some sticks and prepare a model of the bridge. So after doing some bridge with that materials like sticks or cardboard, I slowly do my bridge like that. You can see here that boy is building a small bridge model. So after the completion of the bridge with sticks, the completion, I think I make the model. That means you make the model and place it on the table. You feel that the bridge will be very lightweight and think how the vehicles will go on that and how the people will may walk, then it will bridge will collapse. So you you get more knowledge that the bridge should be very strong. So you again go and which materials will be strong to build a bridge. You think like that. By thinking, you realize that you have to take and make a strong bridge. Okay. So this improves you to bring the design very strong. This process of trying, failing, and improving is called model making. It teaches you how to think, adapt, and innovate. And one another example I will tell you that. So, do you know who invented the aeroplane? Wright brothers. So, did Wright brothers made the aeroplane as a big one? No. They made first an aeroplane with small model. That's what we're saying, model making. So it should make the model in small one. So the Wright brothers made the model of aeroplane in small size. Why? Because they inspired by seeing the bird flying in the air. In children days, we make a rocket because all will make the paper rockets. Do you know that? So it has wings. So by flying it, it will fly. So like that, Wright brothers also made a small aeroplane and tried to fly in the air. So the aeroplane had cost some money, and also they have some thoughts. If you fly the aeroplane, it will fall down. How much the material will damage? So by making the model, like these doubts will clarify. So every inventor and innovator makes the models in small things. And this makes you great person. And also why we are telling about the model making as important means in GYS Avishkar also we tell the children to do the models. That means model making. So by that you can get more knowledge, and if any person will ask you the questions, you will answer. Okay? And Inspire Manak also doing that only. So students will get more knowledge and more attention on that and makes them innovate. Okay? So children, try to do the models in your subjects that will tell more knowledge, that will taught you more knowledge. Okay? And so I'm telling that, and one more session will be there for GYST Club sessions. So all of you participate and gain more knowledge. Thank you.